All right, so we're gonna recap episode number 1. I taught you how to get a PropStream account. You go to my website, www.fknmikemartinez.com. You can click on the link right up here and get a PropStream account, 7-day free trial, so you can test it out, navigate it, make sure that you use my tutorial from episode 1 to learn how to pull a list of homeowners that have motivation, that may want to list their property for sale with you, the rockstar real estate agent, so you can get a fat commission and you can have a whole bunch of listings at your disposal at all times. Once you pull your list, once you have potential motivated sellers, what you're gonna need to do is contact them. So you're gonna have to get the list skip traced. What is skip tracing? Skip tracing is the art, the skill, the technicality of locating someone. Luckily for you, I own a skip tracing company. www.dataskip.io. You can also gain access to my website by clicking on my personal website, www.fknmikemartinez. All of the services that we provide to assist you in marketing for listings will be provided on my website. So let's hop right into it. I'm gonna show you the website right here, dataskip.io. This is how you locate motivated homeowners that wanna sell their property, and you, my friend, the rockstar real estate agent, are gonna get that listing. So I'm gonna show you how to submit your list to the website here. So this is dataskip.io. This is our skip tracing website, and we have a cost of 15 cents per input. So for every record that you're looking for, it's a 15-cent charge. But because you're one of my clients and because you're learning from me on how to market for motivated homeowners that want to sell their property and give you their listings, I'm gonna give you my price. Use coupon code Mike's Client. Once again, that's coupon code Mike's Client. And you're gonna punch that in here at the bottom, so we're gonna see that this is real-time credit bureau data. How does it work? When you submit a list, my back-end office, my skip tracing office, searches for the homeowner's phone numbers and a good mailing address in case you wanna send postcards or mailers or whatever, but that's another topic. What we're doing right now is we're looking for their phone numbers so you can contact them, okay? We use credit bureau data, so we use Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian to gain that information. You're gonna start your order here, and it's as simple as submitting your file. All you have to do is drag it in there. Boom. You add to cart. You view your cart. You punch in your coupon code, Mike's Client. You apply the code, and you can see that you went down from $75 to $40. You got a $35 price reduction, discount, and we proceed to checkout, and you punch that in, okay? Simple as that. Once you get your order placed, you'll have your records back, completely skip traced with the homeowner's phone numbers within 24 hours, 1 business day. Now, something to remember, okay, is how you're gonna approach the homeowner. Once you have the list skip traced, once you have their contact number, let's just say in this hypothetical case, we have 41 homeowners that are going through a divorce. It's unfortunate, it's a pain, but we're gonna approach these people because even though it's unfortunate, it's a pain, they still need to sell. They're gonna have to sell in order for them to have a successful divorce. So you wanna be there in their corner to be able to help them through that sale. So you're gonna contact these 41 individuals. Now you have their phone number, now you know their motivation, and you're gonna contact them and you're gonna ask them if you can assist them with selling their home. You're gonna get that listing because you're a rock star real estate agent. We're gonna get that listing. Now next, I'm gonna show you how to do the cold call, how to approach them, and how to ask for the listing. And I'm gonna give you another powerful resource to assist you with that. All right, I'm excited to see you on the next one. I'll see you soon.